This video will demonstrate the use of special tool bearing installer. This special tool is used in combination with other special tool oil seal or bearing installer to install the alternator rear end bearing with the help of hydraulic press. During installation, the oil seal or bearing installer is used to hold the rotor assembly and the bearing installer pushes the bearing. Using bearing installer to install alternator rear end bearing. Place the oil seal or bearing installer on the bed of the hydraulic press as shown. Place the rotor on the oil seal or bearing installer with the drive end or pulley side facing downwards. Insert the new bearing on the rotor shaft by hand. Place the special tool bearing installer on top of the bearing as shown. Ensure that the special tool is properly aligned with the bearing. Hold the special tool in its place by hand and start applying pressure on top of the bearing installer by operating the hydraulic press. Continue to apply the pressure until the bearing is installed fully. After installation, release the pressure of the hydraulic press and remove the special tool. Inspect the bearing for proper installation. Advantages and benefits. This special tool helps in quick and easy installation of alternator rear end bearing. This saves time and prevents damage to bearing.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.